Hello everyone. So you're looking at a basic demo environment that we have set up for Maggie's Magic Assistant. So the whole idea here is you have set it up as an AI system that can act as a friend for you in the kitchen. So just like you would ask questions and doubts and things to cook with your friend who is into food and into cooking, just like that you can ask questions to the assistant, and Maggie can kind of help you through those questions. So to start off, I think the fundamental question that anybody has in their mind is about they don't know what to cook, but they want to cook something, right? So let's start off with that question. I am in the mood to cook something, but I am not sure what to make. Now once that question goes in, the system kind of tries to understand the context of the question, and now has come back with the question, what ingredients do you have on hand? Right, so if I follow this up with, I have some tomatoes and eggs. Alright, so that goes in. Now here again, system understands this whole concept, now looks through information, now creates a very simple tomato omelette with the ingredients on hand, and kind of gives you a quick instruction of how to make it, then kind of now adds in magic masala wherever appropriate, right? In order to kind of enhance the flavor, it talks about adding it. So it also has found a recipe from YouTube that has how to make omelets in it. Now these videos can again be subscribed, or rather substituted with the content that Nestle and Maggie has created. So this is just for illustration purpose. In the same way, it has pulled in recipes for tomato driven kind of recipes, and then you can read instructions. In the same way, we can plug in content from Nestle's website as well. Now if I follow this up with, I found some bread and cheese lying around. So as you can see, all the conversations are very human-like. You're not really trying to kind of hit any keywords or any of that sort, just plain conversations. It's able to understand it, create that articulated response, and then kind of respond. So it kind of talks about creating grilled cheese sandwich, and then kind of using it, the magic masala, for a extra kick of flavor. Now if I go ahead and say a normal thing, just like I would talk to my friend, just say, last time I grilled bread, it burned. So again, some typos here and there, and then basically not even structured grammar, but still it kind of understands that hey, this person is kind of prone to kind of burning bread. Now talks about how I can do it on an oven, and then get the baking done to kind of get it in golden brown color. Right, so that's the whole gist of the whole piece. You can converse in natural language. It understands, create recipes and instructions for you, can pull in videos, can pull in recipe content, images. It can also kind of understand, make modifications, and so on and so forth. Now in a similar way, if I kind of do another reboot here and say, can you suggest something to eat while I watch Netflix and binge this weekend? And again, it kind of reads, understands, and then kind of creates some random ideas that you can do. So I think popcorn is probably the easiest one. It kind of creates that whole set, and then again, in all of them you can see the magic masala being suggested. So that's the whole piece. So the whole idea is you're creating an assistant which is very personalized, just like a friend. You can converse and get things done. Thank you.